Welcome back, science fans! In my last video, we ventured into the world of lucid dreams. This is a time where you're fast asleep, but part of you is awake and aware that you're dreaming. It's a doorway to a world where you can control your dreams and experience anything you want inside them. If you missed it, click on the link above to watch part 1. Today, we're taking it a step further and doing a deep dive into the methods you need to use to begin this journey. You will learn the top 3 ways to unlock the power of your dreams, where you can fly like Superman over majestic landscapes, or explore alien worlds by just imagining them. With lucid dreaming, anything is possible. But first, you have to master a foundational element, and that is simply remembering your dreams. For many of us, dreams slip away when we wake up, like sand through our fingers. So let's start by learning how to remember your dreams. Once we learn this basic element, we will then review the techniques to control them. First, set a firm intention before you go to sleep. Tell yourself, tonight I will remember my dreams. It might sound too simple, but focusing your mind before you fall asleep will signal your subconscious to pay more attention to your dreams. Next, keep a dream journal by your bed. This step is crucial. The moment you wake up, even if it's in the middle of the night, write down anything you remember from your dreams. Don't worry about the details or making it perfect, just get it down on paper. We'll come back to journaling later in the video. Next, maintain a regular sleep schedule. Quality sleep is key to remembering your dreams. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Another tip is to avoid alcohol and certain medications before bed because they can disrupt REM sleep. By following these steps, you'll begin to remember your dreams more often than not. Like any skill, it takes time and practice. Now that we know how to remember our dreams, let's talk about the specific methods to induce lucid dreaming. First up is the method of reality checks, a simple yet powerful tool in our arsenal. Reality checks are small tests you do throughout the day to check if you're dreaming or awake. It could be as simple as looking at your hands and asking yourself, am I dreaming? Or do the nose pinch test. Squeeze your nose and try to breathe. If you're awake, then obviously you won't be able to. But in a dream, the rules are different and you'll be able to breathe even with your nose pinched. This realization can instantly make you aware that you're dreaming. The idea is to do these checks so often that they become a habit. The real magic happens when you remember these feelings while you're dreaming. For example, something unusual happens. Maybe you suddenly realize that you can see light shining through your palm, or the text on a page keeps changing. This is your cue. You realize this is a dream, and just like that, you fall into lucidity. But recognizing you're in a dream is just the beginning. Once you're lucid, the dream world becomes your playground. You can explore, experiment, and even control your dream environment. Want to fly? Go for it. How about becoming a world-famous celebrity? Why not? The possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. The more you practice reality checks, the more likely you'll do them in your dream and trigger lucidity. Moving on from reality checks, we arrive at our second method, dream journaling. While it might sound simple, keeping a journal is a powerful tool in your toolkit. For this method, if you remember your dream when you wake up, then quickly write it down. It doesn't matter if the dream seemed more of a blurry mirage. If you jot down even the smallest details, it can make a difference. This practice helps sharpen your dream recall, an essential ingredient for lucid dreaming. The more you know about what your dreams are made of, the better you'll become in seeing patterns. And once you begin to see these patterns, you'll become aware of them while you're dreaming, which then triggers lucidity. Journaling also creates a deeper connection with your dreams, making them more vivid and detailed. It's not just about recording them. It's about unlocking a deeper understanding of your dreaming mind, which paves the way for these adventures. Next, we'll explore the mild technique. This method was developed by Dr. Stephen LaBerge, a pioneer in lucid dreaming. Mild stands for mnemonic induction of lucid dreams, and you practice it as you fall asleep. It is a blend of memory, intention, and visualization, and can really boost your chances of becoming aware. To start, try to remember a recent dream you had. Ideally, it would be one that you just woke up from. Review it in your mind over and over again and pay close attention to all the details. Try to remember what you were dreaming about right before you woke up. Now the next part is crucial. While you're focusing on that dream, firmly intend to remember that you're dreaming the next time you're in a similar situation. Mentally repeat a phrase like, "The next time I'm dreaming, I'll remember that it's a dream." This plants a seed in your subconscious and prepares your mind. But repeating the words over and over again isn't enough. You need to see yourself in that dream. So, as you repeat those words, make sure to visualize yourself there. Imagine that you're physically there, doing something you really enjoy, such as running through a field while staring at a beautiful sunset. The mild technique works because it leverages your memory and intention as you drift off to sleep, a time when your mind is highly receptive to suggestions. By practicing mild, you train your mind on how to be lucid while asleep and bridge the gap between your dream experiences and the waking world. Remember, like any skill, mastering the mild technique takes practice and patience. Adding this into your nightly routine will help you get there. So there you have it, 3 potent methods to kickstart your lucid dreaming adventures: reality checks, dream journaling, and the mild technique. Each has its unique approach, but they all lead to the same exhilarating destination: a world where you're conscious and in control of your dreams. Now let's connect the dots and learn how to get the most of your lucid dreams and how to avoid waking up too early. First and foremost, stay calm. Realizing you're in a dream can be thrilling, but overexcitement might wake you up. Ground yourself in the dream. Do this by looking at your hands, touching objects around you, or even spinning around. These actions stabilize the dream and prevent you from waking up. Notice the sounds and the details all around you. Feel the sense of movement. Even your emotions and thoughts should feel remarkably lifelike. This mindful observation stabilizes the dream and enhances its clarity and vividness. Now it's time to explore. Start by setting a simple goal, like walking through a door or talking to someone you see. As you become more comfortable and skilled, you can attempt more complex activities like flying or exploring new worlds somewhere else in the galaxy. Controlling lucid dreams is like a workout. They get better and stronger with practice. Finally, take time to reflect on your experiences because it not only helps you to remember them, but also teaches you what your dreams are all about. I hope you've enjoyed this journey into the fascinating world of lucid dreaming. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with fellow dream explorers. Until the next time.